This is a 3D model of a tracker production line. There are 4 steps: crushing, drying, forming shape, carbonizing. This is the old crusher, rotary dryer for sawdust, briquette machine, and highest carbonization furnace. This is the production line from crusher, rotary dryer to briquette machines. Result 1 is the heating rings. After being extruded, the sawdust becomes the briquettes. We can collect the briquettes together and put them into the inner furnace of the carbonization furnace. After being carbonized for 6 to 8 hours, we can put them out for cooling. Then pack them into the carton box for sale.